As part of the safety regulations then is the tractors will have a proximity switch underneath the seats, and what that means then is if I've got the PTO running and I get off the seat, then the PTO will stop running. Now sometimes there might be a situation where I want to keep the PTO running, and the way that we do that then is I've got to meet some criteria first. One is that I'm stationary. Two, the parking brake is engaged and therefore I'm in neutral, and that the PTO switched off. Now as long as then I've met that, as long as I've got a PTO speed selected, so here we can see I've got 540e selected. If I press and hold on the auto button, so if I press and hold just on the rear auto button, and you can see now that the LED lights are flashing, I can then do my double tap to start the PTO, and then when I get off the seat, then the PTO will start running. And then when I jump back in, obviously I'll switch the PTO off, put it into drive, and parking brake off, and off I go, and then the lights then will go out. So when I next come back in and I need to do the sequence, or need to activate the stationary mode again, I've got to go through the same sequence. Make sure then stationary, neutral, parking brake on, PTO switched off, speed selected, which always will be until I tell it otherwise, and then press and hold again to get the LED lights flashing.